Namaste, welcome to Ankinish Creations. So today I'm going to be sharing a dot mandal painting but with using only Fevicryl acrylic paints. So I have been getting this request since 2-3 weeks now, and here I am making dot mandal painting using Fevicryl acrylic paints only. So let's get started with the video.
For today's painting, I'm using this cork hot mat from IKEA and also these two sets of Fevicryl acrylic paints. One is basic and one is pearl acrylic paints. And these are all the shades in these two boxes which I'm going to use for today's dot mandal painting. Now let's start painting. So starting off with applying white acrylic paint all over the cork hot mat to make the surface little bit even, and then I'm marking the center point of this hot mat and making a small circle around it like this, and then I'll start painting the other area, then the circle in the center, with black acrylic paint first. After painting this upper surface with black acrylic paint, I'm also going to apply the same paint to the sides of this cork hot mat because I always forgot to paint the sides in the starting, and then after doing the painting it's little bit difficult to paint the sides because I'm afraid I'll ruin the painting. So that's why is baar mujhe yaad raha to paint the sides in the starting as well. Now for the center part, I'm using the dark blue color which comes in the a big packet of Fevicryl acrylic paints which I have shown, and now I'm starting with the dot mandal design. So at first I'm only using shades which are there in the big packet of Fevicryl acrylic colors. बड़ा वाला जो डिब्बा दिखाया था जिसमें 10 shades थे, उसमें जो shades है I'm only using that for the first layer of dots in my dot mandal painting today, and for the second layer on top of it I will be using Fevicryl pearl colors. So now enjoy dot mandal painting with me. The tools I am using for my dot mandal painting is mix and match of actual dotting tools and my DIY dotting tools. So if you want to DIY your dotting tools, it's very easy. I have a video related to that. You can make with all the things you already have at home so many different types of dotting tools. So I'll link that video in the description box below. Please check that out. I love painting on cork hot mat because it gives a natural material vibe to the painting, and also it's super duper light, so it is very easy to hang on wall or anywhere you want to. Just you can stick a thread behind it, or you can use blue tack command strips to stick it on the wall. It will stay on place because it is so light in weight. I have so many different videos of painting on cork hot mat. You can find all those videos in the description box below. And with this last few dots, I'll be done with my first layer of dot mandal painting. So I'll let that dry completely before starting with my next layer on top of that. So for painting my second layer, I'm using Fevicryl Pearl acrylic paints. Jo chota dabba I have shown in the starting, that's what I'm using for the second layer. And I'll be adding here and there little bit of pearl colors to add more dimension and interest to the painting. I have mentioned all the paints and materials I'm using in this video in the description box below, so check that out if you want to buy something similar to make your painting. And with that, I'm done with my dot mandal painting using only Fevicryl acrylic paints. And now I'll let this dry completely, and then I'll paint another layer of dark blue paint in the center to make it more opaque. And then I'll apply Fevicryl fabric glue and stick a mirror in the center to just make my painting more interesting. You can stick any other decorative object, or you can paint something different in the center. And yeah, with that, I'm done with my dot mandal painting using Fevicryl acrylic paints. I hope you all liked it.
So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Fevicryl के paints बहुत easily मिल जाते हैं इंडिया में. So इस बार आप लोगों को problem नहीं होगी which shade I'm using, कहाँ मिलेंगे ये paints and all that. So you can try this painting easily if you want to, and share pictures with me with the hashtag #LoveBeingCreative, and I'll share that with you all. So yeah, like this video if you liked it, please, and comment down below your thoughts on it. Subscribe, please, 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 if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family on your social media, WhatsApp, and everywhere, so that I can grow my channel as fast as I can, and let's reach to 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. It won't be possible without you all supporting my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love being creative. Bye.